Hey guys, welcome to PC Tips Pro, and in today's video we gonna see how to add a chatbot to your WordPress website. So before getting into the video, if you guys haven't yet subscribed to the PC Tips Pro, please do subscribe. And now let's get into the video. So let's say you have a website and you want to add a chatbot. So by adding a chatbot, you'll be able to reduce the amount of work that you do to answer visitors' questions. You can just let the chatbot answer the most asked questions by your visitors, and you can also use it to promote your products or services. So after this video, you'll be able to add a chatbot where you can ask any questions to your visitors and give choices based on the option which the visitor selects. You can select the next actions of the chatbot. So this will help you save a lot of time when interacting with your customers. So if a visitor wishes to chat with you directly, so he can click on an option something like need support, and you'll be able to chat with the visitor from the admin area. So firstly, to add the chatbot, firstly we need to create an account on Tidio. So Tidio is a platform that we're going to use in order to add our chatbot to the WordPress website. So you can go to this URL, and or else you can just go to any search engine and type Tidio in order to go to the home page of Tidio. So Tidio is the tool that that will help us to create our chatbot. So once you go to this URL, so this will take you to this kind of page. So here you just need to click on go to app, and here you need to create a free account. So you can create an account using email. So click on email, and then here you just need to enter your email password. So then after you enter your email and password, we'll go back in order to get this website URL. We'll go to the website and copy this URL and then paste it here. So then after this, click on create a free account, and here you can see the preview of your chatbot, and you can customize this with the options here. So in order to change this name, you can just select this, or else you can just change it here. Like if I want to change it here, so I just select this and give it to be try shirts, and even you can change the color scheme of this chatbot. And also you can just select the language, so mostly it will be English only. And then once you're done, click on continue, and here you need to give some details of your about your website and all, like your website address, your company size, and how many operators will work, and your country, your industry, and what would you like to do with Tidio. So after you have selected this all, and after you have filled this all, you just click on continue, and then so here you can see this is the welcome message. So to set up here we can set up the welcome message. So this will be appearing when a visitor visits your website. So you can select any message from here, and you can also preview this welcome message. So it's something like this, and also if you select this just greet them warmly, you'll get something like this. And then once you're done, click on continue again. And now this is our Tidio dashboard. So now we have successfully created an account on Tidio. So once you are done, now we need to connect this Tidio to our WordPress. So in order to do this, we'll go to our WordPress dashboard and go to the plugins, click on add new plugin, and here search for Tidio, and you can find this here. Click on install now, and then click on activate in order to activate this plugin. So now we have successfully installed the plugin, and we can connect our Tidio account with our website. So in order to connect this Tidio account with our website, we need to go to this Tidio chat. So once you click on it and give the email address that you have used for Tidio while creating your account, so then give your password that you have used, and then click on go to Tidio panel. And now you can see Tidio dashboard. So this means that we have now connected our account with our site. So then we have successfully installed the plugin, we have connected our Tidio account to our website, and now let's go back. And now here you can see that as we have connected, we got this chatbot on our website in this in the bottom. So now here you can see the welcome message also. By just clicking here you can chat. So this chat option will be expanded, and then now so instead of your visitors asking questions, what if you want to give a set of options which you can add and solve their queries? So to do this, we'll go back to the Tidio dashboard, and here you can find this option. Click on this, and then here we just need to go to this, click on it, and here you get to this page. So now you can see that we have one welcome message, and then so this is what we have selected. So this is the one welcome message. So what if we want to add some questions after this welcome message? So let's say it's something like this. So what can I help you with? Like do you want to return a product or product not received? So in this case, now if you go to this triggers, and if you go to this actions, here you can find many actions. Like you can send a chat message like your welcome message, you can ask a question, you can take a decision buttons, and email, delay, notify operations, and many other options. So let's say now we need to give some set of questions for our visitors to solve their queries. So now let's drag and drop this decision buttons here. So then here we just need to choose the message that will be sent to a visitor. So let's say we just need to enter the question. So it will be something like hi there, if you need any assistance, I'm always there. So what can I help you with is my question, and then give the button. So first add a button and give it to be something like return a product, and other button to be product not received. And once you are done with this, click close this one. And then so we want these questions to be asked just after this welcome message, so we need to connect these two. So in order to connect this, just drag from this button and join it to this button. So in this way you can connect the blocks. And now once you are done, now if someone chooses one of the option, like if someone says it is a damaged product, so we just need to choose the actions that happens from there. So let's drag and drop this decision button again, and then we need to enter our question again. And like it's like, we are sorry that you are not happy with the product, so may I know the reason? You can ask them the reason, and you can give some option, and then you can choose this for which of the options here this action is related. So it is for the return a product option. So then you just need to click on this return a product. Now we have two options here. So in the two options, if the visitor have chosen one option, this will take you to this option. So this decision will be taken. So this is the action that is taken after choosing one of the two options. So we need to choose which option action is this, like after choosing which option this action is to be taken among the two. So if I choose return a product, so this is taken when the user chooses return a product, and then we get again two options, that is whether it is a damaged product or you have some quality issues. So if the user chooses any one of the option, we need the same text. So in order to do this, so the text is something like it asks the visitors to provide their contact number. So in order to do this, when the visitor will give the contact number. So in order to do this, firstly we need to take this ask a question, we'll drag and drop it here, and then we need to enter our message. So this is like asking the mobile number of the user or the visitor, and then we need to select this validation to be phone number because we are asking the phone number. So instead of phone number, if the visitor enters some other thing, it will ask him to enter the phone number. So then if we give the phone number, so if the visitor doesn't enter the phone number, or if we give any other thing, so it will say that oops, it doesn't look like a phone number. So this will be the error message. You can even change this message also. And then once you are done with this, so we need to make that either if the visitor chooses either of the options, like if he chooses the damaged product or if we choose this quality issues, we need to redirect him to this action only, like asking the question. So in order to whatever may be the option chosen, he need to get this question. So in order to do this, we just click on this damaged product option and we connect to this dot, and again we click on this quality issues dot and we connect it to this, so that whatever may be the option, the visitor will get this question only. So this is the damaged product one, this is the quality issues one, and he will get this question only. And now if you want to add an ending message like thank you for your response, so in order to do this, we just drag and drop this send a chat message and drop it here. So we drag this icon and drop it here, and then here we give the text message that we want to provide for our visitors after entering the mobile number. So we just want to say it, thank you for the response. So click on success, and then here you can find that thank you for your response has been provided, when provided that the user have given his mobile or contact number, and then this will be the final message. We have seen the set of actions to be performed for the first option, that is return a product, and now we will make some set of actions to be performed when the visitor chooses this product not received. So in order to do this, firstly we ask a question, that is we ask the email ID of the visitor. So in order to do this, we just drag this ask a question and drop it here, and then we'll enter our message like asking the email ID, and then we set this answer to be email, and then if the user doesn't enter the email ID or he enters something else, the error message will send to the visitor saying that oops, it doesn't look like an email address. So then once we have done this, so our first option is linked to these actions, and we need to link our second option to this a set of actions that we're gonna perform now. So now let's connect this and this with the second option. So this is the product not received one, so we are connecting this to this, and then now after the user gives the visitor gives the email ID, we need to provide a message like this that says thank you, will get in touch with you shortly. So in order to do this, we just need to take this send a chat message and drag and drop it here, and then we just need to connect this and give the message to be thank you, will get in touch with you shortly, and choose it to be success, and then we just need to enter the message, and then afterwards we are now done. So now let's say when your visitor has opened the chart, and if he gives this email ID, we'll get a notification here in the Tidio dashboard here. So here when you open this, you can find the visitor who have given their email ID. You can just click on this and click on start chart, and here you can see the conversation of your user or visitor, and then you can see the visitor's email ID, and here in order to send the email to this visitor, we just click on join conversation and click on this email option, and here you just need to enter the subject for your email ID. So let's say it is delay in delivery, and you type your message here, and then click on send. So then this mail will be sent to the visitor. So here in the visitor's inbox he can see something like this. And then now let's see how can you add need support option to your chatbot. So by clicking on this need support option, you can directly chat with your visitor or customer. So once your customer clicks on this need support option, he gets a message like, okay, please hold down, and you'll get a pop-up here that your customer is waiting there to get support from you. So then firstly, in order to do this, we can go to our Tidio dashboard again, and here click on edit, and then now in this decision buttons we just gonna add a new button called as need support. And then once you add this need support button, and then you just need to drag and drop it here, just send a chat message. So drop it here and then enter the message you want, like which you want to give to your visitor. So and then we need to get a notification that your visitor needs to get a direct contact with you. So then you need to get notified. So just drag and drop this notify operators here, and don't forget to connect this need support option from the decision buttons to send a chat message that we have created the message, and then drag and drop this notify operator, and then here you can give the message that you want to receive when they click on need support option. So let's say a visitor has joined your conversation and needs the support, so you can just give this message that will notify you when a visitor will click on this need support. And then make sure to connect these two actions, and then once you are done, click on save. And then now when the visitor will click on need support, you will get a notification here that visitor is seeking for your help directly. And then once you are done with these things, now so you can chat with your user from here. Like if you give a message from here, this will reflect to him here, so the visitor will receive your message here. So in this way you can help your visitors with their queries. So now let's see how can we add this profile picture to our chatbot. In order to do this, go to the Tidio dashboard, and again here you can see this profile picture, click on it, and then you can see this, click on this profile picture, and then here you can choose your profile picture. So click on choose your file and select this, click on open, and then click on OK in order to add this profile picture. So in this way your chatbot would get a profile picture. And now let's see how can we add this more upgrade your chatbot and add more features to your chatbot. So in order to add this, we just go to this dashboard again, and if you just click on upgrade, and you can find this all. So this all which says your chatbots for 1k visitors. So you can do this by 18 USD per month. So you can, if you want this, you can click on add to order. And if you want to remove this Tidio branding, so that is provided here, like you can see that this is powered by Tidio. So if you want to remove this, you can click on this feature that is remove Tidio branding, and then you can even see this what your visitor are visiting in your website and all the real-time experiences in this feature that is the communicator. So you can just click on this add to order in order to add this feature also. When you just need to add these features according to your requirements, and once you're all done, just click on update my account, and then in this way you can add features, upgrade your chatbot. And yes, so in this way you can select all the features based on your need. So now this is all for this video, guys. I hope you found this video useful to you. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe to PC Tips Pro. Thank you for watching, guys.